Hello friends, today on this video right now I'm going to show you how to disconnect wireless neckband on Realme mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on setting. Then from here you have to see this one connected devices, so move on it. Then here is the ptron BT. This is the ptron BT, so move on setting. Here is the forget option or disconnect. Okay, if you want to forget it, then you can forget it, and if you want to disconnect this ptron BT, you can disconnect. Click on disconnect, and here right now it has been disconnected. See, you are not going to find it has been connected. Right now it has been disconnect. Okay, see. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe the channel. And thanks for watching.